Alright, Pyros, here's my stash for 2024. Got Horseplay, 25 shot, Candyland, Psycho, A Silent Rage, Top Shelf, We the People, Light of Freedom, a Super Soldier, got National Hero, Civil War, a Trooper, a Deadpool, Electrified, a Toys, a Ghost. Then we have a Master Assorted, 6 different cakes. The Turtles, 4-1. And we got a case of the Master Babes. Got a case of the High Life 200 shots. We have a 2 Minutes of Midnight. We have a Jackpot, a Picasso, Master Connecting Wonders, Top G, Optimus, Heaven and Hell, Steel Warrior, 2 Master Thunders. If you haven't shot them, you need to get them. 2 Weed the Best. And then my shell kits. I have a 24 of Wild Things, Slayer shells, Master 7s you can't go wrong with. And of course the new HCMF Locos. You got 3 boxes of them. Gonna be a good show.